Hello, hi. My name is Nur Fadila, and we are going to present about space booking mobile application SBMA. This is our team at System, me, which is Nur Fadila, and Siti Nadia, and also Sophie, Faiz, and Morshid. This is our group contribution, the documentation, and also the development. Space, the booking, the capacities, what is the price per hour, and so on, the space details. So it also allows the user to book through the system, the embedded web-based system that they can access through the app. And it also helps enhance the user experience and to reduce manual processes and also ultimately to improve the booking experience. And the next one is the scope of the application, which is it will be handled by external web-based system to book the um, space lah. So the scope has an authentication for administration processes, administration operations such as create, delete, and update. And the user can access the information and book through the embedded system, while the admin can manage the information about the space, but they have to log in. There is authentication access for the admin only. The next one is the problem statement. The first one is manual and outdated booking methods. And the second one, there is no centralized platform for space viewing or booking. And the third one is risk of double bookings and incomplete requests. And the last one is admin face difficulty to update space listing effectively. Project objective. The first one is to define the requirement and the functionality of the web-based platform, which is SBMA. And the second one is to develop the mobile application that integrates a web-based booking system and also include administration operations. And the next one is to test the functionality of the developed mobile application.
For our system is broken into 5 components. The front end is built using Flutter and Dart for a smooth user interface. The backend uses Firebase Cloud Functions for server-side logic. Our database is Firestore that stores real-time space data. For API and middleware, we use direct Firebase integration without REST APIs. Lastly, authentication and security are handled using Firebase authorization to protect admin features.
Next, I will present our app flow. There are 4 screens. First is home page. Second is space screen. Third is booking screen. And last, admin screen. Bila user masuk dekat home, akan ada function search dan detail. Bila search, dia akan keluar list of search tempat. Untuk screen space, dia akan paparkan semua space yang available. Untuk booking, user boleh guna untuk booking, dan untuk admin ada 3 function utama iaitu delete, edit dan update.
For the testing documentation, we have tested the app on few devices to ensure all main features work as expected. First, splash screen was tested and passed. It loads and transitions smoothly. Bottom navigation works. Users can switch between all main pages. For space listing, data is successfully retrieved from Firebase and displayed correctly on the screen. Space details show full info and the Book Now button works. Booking redirects properly to the form via web view. Admin login is restricted to admin only. All admin code functions work correctly. Screen layout was responsive and remained consistent on all tested devices. Error handling worked as expected, showing alerts when error happened. Next is testing summary and limitation. For testing summary, all test cases were manually tested on multiple devices. All core features like UI, Firebase, and CRUD are functioning well. User flows and UI consistency validated. For limitation, no automated tests, all test cases were manually tested. Tested on common devices, not fully on tablets or older Android versions. Back-end validation, double booking were not implemented. Booking via WebView requires internet.
So hello, I will be demo the application for our project. Let's begin at the homepage. Here you will see a clean interface featuring a list of popular spaces, giving a users a quick view what's trending. And next we go to the spaces page. This is where all available spaces are listed. At the top you can see a filter by category, hall or rooms, and sports. When space is tapped, it opens the space details page showing detailed information about that space. So from here you can tap the book now. And then it will go to the booking page. At the booking page, where the selected space and its price are displayed. When you tap book, it opens a booking form in a web view, allowing users to complete the reservation easily. Also, we have a search function. For example, auditorium. And also we have a about button. So in here we have a admin page. So we need to log in. And then after login, it will log into the admin page where admins can view, add, and edit and delete the space information using a full CRUD interface. So for example here, I edit here, auditorium 1, save changes, and review auditorium 1. Then we go to add spaces. For example, Padang Rugby. Price is 30 ringgit. Hall and rooms, we go to choose secondary sports and a booking link. Space added successfully, so we can see the newest space are added. We go to log out, and then you can see on the spaces list, you can see the Padang Rugby section that we just added. Alright, thank you.